love it here! Hot butterbeer. Wow! So we've arrived at the Universal City Station. It's so cold. Let's go buy tickets muna, then let's enter. It's there! Wow! We got our tickets na. For my mom and me, it's 9,400. Regular price is 9,900 yen, but since PWD si mommy, disabled pass lang siya, which is 4,700. Tapos pati yung one companion, ganon din yung price. Okay, punta muna tayo sa Harry Potter, tapos tsaka tayo mag Super Nintendo World. We're on our way to Harry Potter. And we saw yung flying car ng mga Weasleys na nag-crash. Guys, ang ganda-ganda. This is the entrance to Hogwarts, and then there's a line here. Fire, you can take a picture with the train. Now, let's try the famous butterbeer. We're inside Hogwarts. Let's try the famous butterbeer. They have this. Wow, honey dukes. And then sa winter, they imitated yung snow. Ang haba ng line ng butterbeer. This is Hogshead. They have the Hogshead. And then they have the 3 broomsticks. I think this one is a restaurant. Let's go inside Honey Dukes. Let's see what they have. They have Bertie Bott's every flavor beans. They have chocolate frog then. Ito dapat. Ito lang maliit. Fudge flies. Chocolate fave. Fudge. This is what we got. We got chocolate ones, our friends, cookies, and then chocolate frogs. So we have this na butterbeer non-alcoholic and hot butterbeer non-alcoholic. Since it's cold, we're going to buy yung hot butterbeer. Ayan yung choices. Souvenir, premium stein. Arigatou gozaimasu. So we just claim it here. Hot butterbeer. Ang ganda niya. Oh my god, I love it here. Oh my god. It's sweet, non-alcoholic, and we get to bring this home. Yaraban. So, nag-CR tayo dito sa may Hogwarts. And, pumasok kayo sa CR kasi ang whole theme niya is Myrtle's bathroom. As in, kamukhaan yung sa bathroom ni Myrtle. Tapos, nagsasalita siya. Although hapon siya, very good ang vibes. This is inside Outpost. Diyan yung mga merch nila. Scarves. Ayan na, may scarves. Shirts. Robes. Wow. Ito ata yung damit ni Cho Chang dun sa ball. Coming out of Harry Potter, let's go buy some snacks muna. Let's buy yung pizza, Danish, bacon, and honey mustard. Your choice. Also, Yaraban. We ordered lang itong pizza. This is the bacon and honey pizza. Parang may fries siya. Tikman natin siya. Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko kinakain. Okay, let's taste. Masarap. Hot dog. Wow. Plain. We give you ketchup and mustard though. May fresh yung pizza. Masarap. Matcha. Feeling ko kulang sa tamis, pero okay naman. Lahat masarap. Pero I highly suggest yung pizza and yung matcha. Ubusin lang natin itong matcha, then let's go. So now, mag-churros na lang tayo for dessert. Dito tayo sa Amity Bites. Chocolate churritos. Yan, chocolate churros. Arigatou gozaimasu. So we have our churros. Let's taste it. Masarap. This stand, fresh fruit straight, refreshing drinks, hot chocolate. And then we are in front of Jurassic Park. Wow, bumabaliktad siya. Pag sumakay ako dyan, guaranteed. Vertigo galore. We are currently in line for Water World. This is the line we're waiting for the show to start. Nag-register din tayo for area time enter sa Nintendo World. Just download the Universal Studios Japan app, follow the instructions, and then makakakuha na kayo ng schedule nyo to enter Super Nintendo World for free. What they will do is they will generate you a QR code which you will present to the staff na nakaabang sa entrance ng Nintendo World, and then after that, makakapasok na kayo at your intended schedule. We're inside Water World now. We'll just wait for the show to start. We left Universal Studios Japan because it's getting late. Hindi na tayo nakapunta sa Super Nintendo World since yung schedule natin 7 PM masyadong late na. So I suggest if ever you want to go there, pagdating nyo, kaya nasa hotel pa lang kayo, mag-schedule na kayo for area timed entry. Right now, we're back in Dotonbori, so we can eat at Ichiran Ramen. To go to the Ichiran main store sa Dotonbori, along the canal, past lang kay Glicoman, you go to the Don Quixote Dotonbori main store. Lagpas lang kayo ulit. Nakita nyo yung may sign. Ayun, that sign. That's Ichiran Ramen. That's the Ichiran Ramen. May pila doon. And then dito kami nakapila. While my mom is in line dun sa Ichiran Ramen. There's a takoyaki stand nearby na ang haba ng pila. So let's go and try it. Ito yun. 800 yen. So ito yung menu nila. This is sauce mayonnaise, soy sauce mayonnaise, salt, and then salt and mayonnaise, and then ponzu with mayonnaise, tas plain lang. Brown sauce with mayonnaise. Yes. Got it na. Let's taste this. May kasamang ginger. Malang. Parang mas gusto ko yung takoyaki sa hotel. I think makakahanap pa tayo ng mas masarap na takoyaki. We're finally close in line, so they gave us na this order sheet where we circle our preference. Tas yung bilog na ganyan, ibig sabihin, yan yung recommended nila. Pagpasok, you order dito sa machine na to. Tas kung magkakasama kayo, kahit isang order lang kasi may individual tickets, ganito per order. Tas, ito na yung ibibigay nyo lang dun sa loob. So, this is my little booth. Ito yung sa water. So, ganito lang siya. Put your water there, and then, kanina nakabukas yan. Tas, inabot ko lang sa kanya yung order slips ko. Pero they also have this. Pwede ka pala magreklamo. Ito pala extra item order sheet. Pwede ka umorder pa. Dumating na yung order na tea, yung hard-boiled egg. Ikaw pala maglalagay sa ramen mo. Trying their Ichiran tea. Walang lasa. Tapos yung cups nila, medyo maamoy. Ay na siya. So, this is our ramen. Ay, ang ganda ng cook ng egg. Okay. This is the noodles, my pork. Let's taste. Taste muna ng broth. Parang nothing special naman. Okay naman yung broth. Rich siya. Ang soft ng noodles, kahit na firm na in order. Let's try the egg. Gusto ko yung cook sa egg doon. Let's try this. We ordered Coke kasi hindi na sa ating tea. Ubus na. Today, we're back in Dotonbori, but this time sa Namba Station. We just exited dyan sa Namba Hills. Kasi dyan may elevator, although may exit din yung station dito. And then this is the Yakiniku Lake. There's a short line lang and then mag-lunch na tayo. This is our, they have out sa kita ng bag and then din dito. For now, let's order. How many people are there? So kahit na magkasama kami, I can order for the both of us. And then we can i-click yung English menu. Nalito. So, ayan, mamimili ka lang dyan ang orderin mo. So, you just confirm your order and then this comes up. After you send your order, you have to pick it up here. While waiting, nandito yung ating wet tissue, chopsticks, and toothpick. These are the sauces. So, we have to light the fire. So, press A and B button both at the same time. Ayun na, may fire na. And then we get water here. Ayan na siya. So, let's bring our number tag na nandun. Here. This is our order. Top blade nasa. Ito yung short plate sliced beef. Kimchi miso soup. Parang mas masarap yung miso soup sa Pinas. Edamame. Mas okay yung Pinas. I tried their soup. It's not masarap. Masarap yung sa Philippines. Luto na siya. So let's go. It's not very good. Hindi masarap yung kimchi. Very bland yung soup. Matigas yung beef. Overall, not really good experience. I prefer yung brand sa Philippines. Payment is in front sa parang may counter and then isa-scan nyo lang din dyan yung table number nyo. Pay and then tapos. And then, the next day was our flight home. Before I end the vlog though, I wanted to share some good news. The night after we went to USJ, something really good happened. OMG guys! It's snowing! Look, oh, it's snowing! OMG! And that was the perfect way to end our Japan trip. See you on the next one!